Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. You're seeing something a little bit different today, because today I'm going to be doing a bookcase tour. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn the notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. As you can see, I have my little bookshelf here and I literally have all of my eyeshadow palettes on it that aren't Revolution. So anything that isn't Revolution is on here, on this beautiful little bookcase. I got it from Argos. I think it was less than, it was like £20, something like that. It wasn't like super expensive. And then under here is where like my Revolution stuff live. Mainly my palettes are like in the bigger drawers, but today we're going to be focusing on this. So just thought I'd show you my palette bookcase, go through it, show you how I've organised it, and just all of that good stuff really. So this is the top row. How I've organised the top row is basically so that it has my really bougie palettes really, and like the taller ones that maybe couldn't fit down here. So like this one here is actually W7, but I couldn't get it to fit down here with my other W7 one. It's just a bit too tall, so I've just popped him up here. But yeah, we have W7, we have Vive, we have a lot of like ABH. This one's ABH, and then we've got like ABH ones here. Then we have some Urban Decay, Too Faced, like I said, all of my Anastasia Beverly Hills ones, Too Faced again, and then we have Huda. These ones are Illamasqua. Then we have P. Louise. These are all like dusty as, so just ignore that because I've had this bookcase going for quite a while now. So yeah, we have P. Louise. This one is my one and only Natasha Denona big palette. Have some more P. Louise. Urban Decay Moon Dust palette, which I haven't actually used yet, which is really bad. We have this Precision's Formula one. These ones here are all Pixie. I don't know if it's going to focus. These ones here are all Pixie. These ones are Pixie. This one's a Tarte, and we have some more Pixie ones, a little mini Huda ones that are here, and this one is a Charlotte Tilbury one. So that is kind of like top shelf, super bougie kind of one. And then going on to middle shelf, this one, to be honest with you, is just the big palettes that I kind of like need the taller shelf in the middle. What's really good about these is they have like different holes, so you can make each of the shelves to whatever size you wanted them to be. So I basically made this middle shelf so that it would fit this huge P. Louise one in at the end, and then everything else has kind of followed afterwards. So starting over here, we have P. Louise Cancel palette. We've got Be Perfect and Stacey Marie, P. Louise, Be Perfect, Stacey Marie, the W7 dupe version of it, the P. Louise one, which I still haven't done a video on, so bad. This one is, what actually is this? I think it's my Jaclyn Hill one. Yeah, my Jaclyn Hill Morphe one, the first ever one that she brought out, like the original first edition of it. This one's again Morphe. This one is the bright one from Beauty Bay. Jade Beauty Bay one, we have Sample Beauty, Bloom and Love palette. This one's Be Perfect, Lime Crime, Sample Beauty, and this one again Sample Beauty. Then we have some Mitchell palettes. So we have Feet on the Ground, Head in the Clouds, Do You Want Some Milk, and then we have three here that I've got. These are all Norvina ABH palettes. So I've got the pink one, the orange one, and then the latest version. These two I got from a friend or Depop, I can't remember which one it was, and this one I got off Beauty Bay, first one buying at basically full price because I used discount code. And then we have some like taller ones here which are basically Colourpop. So this one is It's a Mood, then we have So Jaded, Stone Cold Fox, Fade into Hue. Some of these, I think, to be honest with you, I think majority of these, maybe not Fade into Hue, but I'm sure these ones I bought off either my patrons or Alex's patrons. So yeah, that's how that collection got quite big. And then we have my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill little palettes, which to be fair, I don't think I've used either, if I'm honest with you. Okay, I've turned my little light down just so it wasn't like too bright. So anyways, as I was saying, then I have all of my Beauty Bay palettes. We have like Wilderness, Book of Magic, Sunset Horizons, New Romantic, Love Notes, Age of Opulence, the Mitchell one, Nikka Tutorials, and we've got Sample Beauty. I've got this Rude Cosmetics one that I've to this day I have not used still. This little P. Louise one that I haven't used, and then this one is a W7 Let's Brunch one that I've just shoved on the end there because I haven't found a home for it yet in the in the order. And the same for this one. This one is from Ciata. They actually kindly sent that to me, and I'm probably never really going to use it, but I don't want to throw it away, or like I don't want to depart with it because it's got Edna board on it, do you know what I mean? Anyways, moving onwards. So down here I have a little collection of, well, this is just dumped stuff at the moment, and then this is like coloured eyeliners, crayons, black ones, nude ones, gel eyeliners, more crayons, and then this is all black liquid eyeliners, and that's just there just so that I remember to actually use them, because when I had them in a drawer I kept forgetting. So back here behind my little Lion King sign that my friend Jam got me, we have two Dollar Beauty palettes, which again I haven't used because I'm really bad. We have a W7 one, WW7 one, this one, what actually is this? Oh, W7 one as well, ColourPop, another W7 one, ColourPop. This is not the only one that I actually have by Juvia's Place, the only thing that I own by them as well. Sosu and Kaylee, which I'm not going to use anymore because they were very nasty to her, so yeah, I bought that second hand anyway, so I didn't give them any of my own money. And then we have BH, Shine with BH, ColourPop, Morphe, BH, Beauty Bay, Morphe, NYX, what are you? ColourPop. These ones are look how dusty they are. Disgusting, but we're all friends here. The one's a W7, then this one is Winky Lux. These are all W7, then this is P. Louise. These ones are Essence ones I bought like a century ago and haven't got around to using. I'll be surprised. Charlotte Tilbury, Tarte, NYX. These are all ColourPop ones down here. And then I've kind of like run out of room, so I've got like this little mini Natasha Denona one, Charlotte Tilbury. These are all e.l.f. All these ones here. Charlotte Tilbury, and then this melt stack that I'm pretty sure I bought off Abby, if I remember rightly. But yeah, that is my little bookcase. What do you think? I absolutely love it. Like, absolutely love it. I've actually made like a little tub where I've got all of the eyeshadow names wrote down, folded up, so that when I eventually get back into my Shop My Stash videos, I can pick it from the tub, and then it's going to make me use a palette that maybe I've not used before, or one that I've not used for ages. So yeah, we have fancy ones, bigger ones, smaller ones. What do you think? If there's any certain ones that you want me to do a video on specifically, if there's any ones that you want me to do a video on specifically, please let me know and I'll definitely do that for you. But yeah, this is just what it looks like. I think it's beautiful. I love it so much. I love the lights. I've literally just blue tacked the lights on there. They're from Amazon. If you want me to send you a link, let me know and I'll send you a link. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you want me to do like more like collection videos. Like, look at this over here that I've never showed any of you. This is like my lip gloss and liquid lipstick tower and some normal lipsticks. This is like my lip liners. So yeah, there's loads of my collection that I haven't even showed you yet. Please vote down below. I'll hopefully see you in a video very, very soon. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, so I'll see you then. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.